Hello guys, welcome to this particular session of this video. In this video, we're going to talk about what frameworks are. If you are new to this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It's not going to take money from your pocket. So let's dive into today's topic. In our last video, we talked about what modules are. We wrote a small function here, and then we ported it in another file. This is a different file, and we ported in another file, which is this file here. I will make use of it. So how does module differ from frameworks? If I look at framework is a Python is a collection of pre-written code that help you build application faster and providing ready-made tools and structure. Now in this when we talked about modules is similar to that of framework. But one thing about frameworks tend to has the collection of almost everything you need to execute your code. You can think of a framework like a house blueprint. Instead of building everything from scratch, wall, writing, plumbing, you get a pre-written design structure. You only focus on the customization. We can think of if you have heard about frameworks for web development like that of Django or Flask. You can see these are examples of frameworks. It already contain everything that you need, all the structures that you need. All you need to do is to apply it in a particular way to get an output. One disadvantage of frameworks that can be really pissing off is that you can modify it to your own taste. It's already been written in a particular way. So if you try to change it, it's not going to work out for you. You're going to be structured. Oh, you are going to put it like this. You are going to put it like this. You can't say, no, I want to do it like this. No, no, no. Framework is really it's a standard with a structure that I can change. That's like changing the foundation of your house. I don't think you just bring out the house and change the foundation. It doesn't make sense. So that's just basically what framework. And when we come to that of web development, I talked about Django and Flask. We also have Fast API. Also, be like when it comes to that machine learning aspect, AI frameworks. We have the TensorFlow, the PyTorch, and that of sklearn. These are frameworks in machine learning and AI field. AI field. These are and so we have for that of automation and testing frameworks. We have the Selenium and the PyTest robot frameworks and a whole lot of other. When it comes to that of game development, we have the Pygame and that of Panda. The whole lot of them when it comes to different aspects of your field that you want to go into. So what are the advantages of framework? Like I said earlier, is a pre-written defined code already that only what you just need to import and then customize and make use of them. Number one look I'll look at is the fast development. No need to code everything from that scratch, like I said. And another one I'm going to talk about is code usability, built-in functions. Function helps with redundant coding. I also have the security feature. Frameworks like Django provide built-in security against common attacks like that of hackings. And frameworks is strong enough to protect you from hackings because I have the scalability, easily handle large application. We have the community support. Popular frameworks like that of TensorFlow, sklearn, or Django, Flask, or who have a whole lot of um, for community support. And so, what are the disadvantages of frameworks? Like I said earlier, one disadvantage of framework is you are being forced to use in a particular way. You can't tend to use it anyhow you want. Like when we use like that of pandas, when we use pandas, for example, pandas is a library, so we don't mistake it with a framework. But they can actually modify or numpy, we can actually modify the structure of how we use them because just used for mathematical operation. We can also change and then make use of them in a way we want. We can look at them frameworks contain both the libraries and that of the module because it contains everything you need to build a project or application from scratch to finish. So another thing we can look at is update and dependency. Changes in frameworks might break old code because when you install for example when you install Django 3 point something or Django of older version, when you upgrade it, your older code that you have before might end up misbehaving. You'll be wondering why. Because of the update and dependencies affects the Django, the structures are being changed, or maybe the security is being updated. We have the less flexibility, like I said, you have to follow the framework structure limiting customization. You can't just do it the way you want it. You need to follow the structure that is being written. I also have the performance overhead. Full features framework might be slower compared to custom built in solution. So that's just basically everything you need to know about frameworks. Framework is just an entire thing that holds the pre-written codes. And what I'm talking about we want to talk about the pre-written code is something that somebody somewhere, those smart guys that have written down already, and just what you have to do is just to import it and customize it. There's nothing else again. Just like buying clothes and then adding labels on it, adding things on it to make it beautiful. That's just what basically what frameworks are. So I think we'll come to the end to this video. If you enjoy it, please don't forget to like, I can also subscribe. It's going to really help this channel grow. So I'll be happy to see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.